Hello YouTube. We're out here on my road trip back home to North Carolina, and we are doing some network testing along the way. So currently right now I'm about 70 miles outside of Washington DC, and what I have up to bat right now is AT&T is on the right and T-Mobile is on the left. So as you can see, this is where I am, Bowling Green. So if anybody that knows Washington DC and the 95 corridor where I'm currently sitting at, you probably driven to this spot, even eating at the rest stop that I'm at right now. So let's see what the network speeds have to offer. First, let's check out T-Mobile and what the complement is offering us. All right, so we got N71 out here, no 41, so it's not going to get a big boost in speed. They might be all sharing the same site, so band 2, the RSRP is about the same, so that means they're probably broadcasting from roughly the same distance. So this should be pretty good. 10 megahertz of band 2 for AT&T and 15 megahertz of band 2 for T-Mobile. So let's see what they have to offer. And AT&T is all over it right now. T-Mobile, you're gonna have to bolster up your rural coverage a little more. So currently right now, T-Mobile is at 41.1 megabits per second down and 10.2 megabits per second up. And AT&T out the break is at 120 down and 3.5 up. Not bad, AT&T, not bad. Made me doubt you for a little bit. All right, so let's see. Speed test needs to confirm it. So with speed test, we got like T-Mobile's at 63. Like about 63 down, and then it's going to be about 10 megabits up with a 51 millisecond ping. And AT&T is at 110 down and 12.8 up. Not bad, AT&T, not bad. Next one is fast. How many 4K videos can we watch on these two networks right now? So T-Mobile is only going to give us about 36. So technically speaking, this is about 2 4K streams at one time on fast and 150 for AT&T. In perv, all right. I'm curious to see what they have to offer. It's doing 5G NSA on both of them. I'm going to probably be looking at T-Mobile as I travel home. I'm curious to see what the coverage looks like. Do some random speed testing while I'm on my way home. And then I'm gonna hit up a rest stop on 95 and repeat this process again. So 3 different points along my journey home. Going through the video test now. I got the hiccups. Alright, so T-Mobile has already gone past the 360 and 720p. AT&T is just getting started on the 720. And we're already done with T-Mobile, so we're at 50.8 down and 6 megabits up. Browsing and streaming is decent. Browsing is decent, streaming is good. AT&T, they're browsing, not so hot, but 65.7 megabits down and 7.84 megabits up. Browsing is under T-Mobile. Man, they had some juice. What happened to the juice? That's the question. One last test. Straight download test. For both of these respective networks. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so T-Mobile is on the left, AT&T is on the right. So what we got here? It's starting to set in. It's saying about 11 minutes for T-Mobile on ultra capacity, even though it showed I wasn't really on ultra capacity. And AT&T is about 5 minutes, and this NSA for them for this 1 gig file. So they're pulling roughly about 30 megs per second. If you look at the top corner here, right here, AT&T is looking at pulling more now at 130. I think that AT&T was probably going to grab this one. Oh, 1 minute left compared to the 4 minutes that's left on T-Mobile. So almost done. One minute left. $59. It's still fluctuating. I'm surprised for AT&T. It should have already closed this out by now. It's about 47 seconds, 47 megs down from the looks of it. And T-Mobile still at about 3 minutes left. AT&T has the edge. It's showing, as you can tell, it's almost completed the circle, but it's just not giving enough juice to go ahead and complete it. This is a constant 30. This is jumping all over the place between 50 to 130, back down to 50 again. But it's a raw download test, and look like AT&T is still going to pull away with this win. Ten seconds. And it's done. There you go. So out here in rural America, AT&T seems to have the beans right now. All right, thank y'all for watching. Watch the rest of the channel for more of my network testing on my road trip on my way back home for Christmas. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.